Good morning, children. This is your Chapter 9, Reproduction in Animals. We have discussed in our previous video about the reproduction, mode of reproduction, sexual reproduction, the male and female reproductive organs. In today's video, I'm going to discuss the next new topic, that is fertilization. So, fertilization is the first step in the process of reproduction. This is the first step in the process of reproduction, and that is the fusion of sperm and an ovum. We have discussed the structure of ovum and the structure of sperm. This is the structure of sperm and this is the structure of ovum. When the sperm fuses or it combines with the ovum, then this process of the fusion of sperm and ovum is known as fertilization. Okay, this is the fusion process of a sperm and an ovum. This process is termed as fertilization. During fertilization, the nuclei of the sperm and the egg means both are, I have told you that sperm and an ovum both are single cell and both having a nucleus. When the nucleus of a sperm and the nucleus of the ovum fuses, then they form a single large nucleus. This results in the formation of a fertilized egg, or we can say the zygote. Zygote is what? It is a fertilized egg. Means zygote is formed after the fusion of sperm and an ovum. Okay, zygote is a fertilized egg. Now here you can see the diagram. This is the diagram of an ovum and you can see these are the sperms. So sperms are entering inside the ovum. When the sperm fuses with the ovum, then this process is known as fertilization. So this is the picture of fertilization. You know that the zygote is the beginning of a new individual. The process of fertilization is the meeting of an egg cell from the mother and a sperm cell from the father. Okay, we all know that sperm is the single cell which is obtained from the father and the ovum is obtained from the mother. Okay, so the new individual or the zygote inherits some characteristic feature from the mother side and some characteristic feature from the father. Okay, we also can say in another way, like an individual means an new offspring or a new generation contains or consists some characteristic feature of the father and some characteristic feature of the mother. They inherits. Okay, look at your brother or sister. See if you can recognize some characters in them similar to those of your mother or your father. Of course, we can easily recognize the features or the characters which comes from the mother side or which comes from the father side. Fertilization, which takes place inside the female body, is called internal fertilization. This is the internal fertilization. The fertilization process which occurs inside the female body. Internal fertilization occurs in many animals including humans, cows, dogs, hens. Whereas the other form of fertilization which occurs outside of the female body, that is external fertilization. Okay, there are two kinds. You will be surprised to know that in many animals fertilization takes place outside of the body of the female. In these animals fertilization takes place in water, like the frog. During spring or rainy season, frogs and toads move to ponds and slow flowing streams. When the male and female come together in water, the female lays 100 of eggs. Unlike hen's egg, frog's egg is not covered by a shell and is a comparatively very delicate. A layer of jelly holds the egg together and provide protection to the eggs. These are the eggs of frog. You can see the picture. They are without the hard shell. They are together by the jelly-like substance. As the eggs are laid, the male deposits sperms over them. Each sperm swims randomly in water with the help of its long tail. Now, this is tadpole. The sperms come in contact with the eggs. This results in fertilization. This type of fertilization or fusion, which occurs outside of the female body, is known as external fertilization. It is a very common in aquatic animal such as fish, starfish, frog, etc. Okay, so this is all for today, children. I hope you all have understood. So thank you for watching this video.